Hi, I wanted to show you how to use Quizlet, which you're going to be using sometimes in class and other times at home. Quizlet is really fun, and I've put up some lessons there for you to look through and to use. And you can use flashcards, and you can take quizzes, you can do all kinds of fun things. So I wanted to show you how to start using it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to www.quizlet.com, and you're going to click where it says sign up. Okay, so you're going to create a Quizlet account. You're going to put in your birth date. I'm going to make one up. I'm going to pretend that my birthday is today. And I'm going to make up a username. I'm going to say Cello Power. It's going to be my name. Oh, it's been taken, so I'll make it Cello Power 3. And I'm going to give my parents' email. I'm going to make something up. I'm going to try using this one. And I'm going to put in a password. And I'm going to retype my password. I'm going to agree to the terms of service, and I'm going to sign up. So now I have an account. So I'm going to join a class. That's the first thing that I'm going to do. And I'm going to ask to join Delson Strings. And look, there are all of the classes that you can join that I have. You can join violins if you play violin, cello and bass if you play cello and bass, or violas if you play the viola. It doesn't matter which school it says. I just had to put in a school, so it doesn't really matter. So you just request to join the class. Say you play violin, you're going to request the violin class. And there you're going to see that we already have 45 members of this class, so there are a lot of violin players in Stanford who I teach. And there are all sorts of lessons that you can learn. So if you're just starting the violin, you may want to start with something like the D string notes, because that's what we're going to learn first. And the first thing you can do is you can look at the flashcards, and it's going to ask you for a note name. So you may remember that we learned this in class today, and you can say, oh, that's a D. You're going to flip and make sure that you're right. Yes, you are. Then you can go to the next flashcard. Try and remember, that's the first finger on the D string, so that's going to be an E. Going to flip it. Oh, we're right. So we're going to keep going through the flashcards. If we want to go take a test, we can do that. And we can write down the name of the note. How many fingers? That's going to be 3 fingers. Make sure you distinguish between note name and fingers, because that's sometimes confusing. How many fingers? That's 0 fingers. Note name, F sharp. I'm going to put that in. Oh, I have some multiple choice questions. How many fingers? That's going to be 1. How many fingers? That's going to be 4. Note name is G. True, false. Note name, that's going to be false because we want finger numbers for that one. Note name G, that's false because that's an E. How many fingers? 2. That's right because that's an F sharp, and F sharp has 2 fingers. So let's see how we did. We got everything correct. Now there are a couple of games that you can play. I'm going to show you scatter very quickly. You're going to make everything disappear. So you're going to find the correct answer, and then you're going to bring it to where it belongs. So F sharp, we're going to bring to the F sharp. And how many fingers for an E? It's going to be 1, so we're going to bring that over. And G, note name, there we go, that matches with that. D, note name matches there. See, I got confused too. E, note name goes here. How many fingers is a 0? The A is going to be a 4. And reach way down for the number 3 for how many fingers. And I did it in 43.8 seconds. So I want to see if I can beat the best score of 33.8 seconds in our class. And I'm going to try it again. But for right now, I'm not going to try it again. I'm just going to say I hope that you have learned all about Quizlet. and I hope that you play it a lot at home on your phone or on your computer because it's a really great way to learn and have fun at the same time.